What's happening, guys? It's myself, Liddy Damps, aka Players. I'm back with another video, and this is just a quick unboxing of the Seagate expansion 5TB portable drives. And this is one of the biggest external hard drives with a large capacity that I bought, and it was half price. It was $89.99 from Argos UK. So let's look on the side. So connect with computers or laptop. Add-on storage with easy-to-use backup software for your Windows computer. So this is the thing that you can just back your whole system up. And not only that, if you could try, maybe if you want to, you can actually install your operating system on this thing. But this thing is one hell of a beast, and feel the weight of that. It's absolutely heavy. Wow. But not only that, you can actually use this as a game drive for your Xbox or PlayStation 4. Trust me, it will work. Okay, so let's open this thing up then. Right, got my little handy tool out. Okay, so it's a bit hard to... Okay, we got it. Let's get this thing out, shall we? Oh my god. Wow. Yes, and I've had the 2TB version of this one, and it's a lot thinner. But the 2TB I use is, I put my music library on it because I use Tractor to DJ with nowadays. But as before, I used to use CDs and vinyl, but I've gone on to digital now. So it's best to always store your music library on the external source when it comes to using software to DJ or anything else. So in here is the actual thing itself. So that's your port, that's your socket, and in here is the USB lead that plugs into the back of your computer. But anything else in this box we have? Okay, so it's just a quick start guide. Not only that, it just shows you what to do, where to get started. And basically that's just about it. Not more I can do with this thing other than just unboxing it. But I'm just going to plug it into my computer in a bit and start backing stuff on it so I can free up some hard drive space on the rig that I've got. So the current rig I'm running at the moment is an AMD 8350 overclocked to 4.7 gigahertz and 16 gigabytes of RAM. And not only that, MSI R7370's paired crossfire mode at 4 gigabytes, and I'm getting so much good frame rates for an old rig that I've got, and I'm playing Destiny 2 at the moment on that. But guys, I'm really done with this, so let me know in the comments below if this will be the external hard drive for you. But have a good one, take care, peace out.